Hello, and welcome to Bluebeamer in Docsland. This series of short videos is aimed at those using programs like Bluebeamer View to get comfortable with similar workflows using BIM 360 Docs. These videos will also be helpful to those learning BIM 360 Docs for the first time, even if the workflow is new. So let's dive in. Today's video, how to do hyperlinks in BIM 360 Docs. So we'll begin by opening a PDF inside of BIM 360 Docs. I'm going to select my ground floor plan. As the PDF is opening, if we zoom in a little bit, we'll see that we have these sort of tealish color markings. These are automatic hyperlinks that happen when you bring in a PDF project or you bring in a Revit project inside of BIM 360 Docs. We can set up some OCR recognition, and it understands page numbers, and it will hyperlink those page numbers. So I can go ahead and select this. It gives me a preview that that's my A302 elevations, and then I can click on it and it will actually take me to that elevation. However, what doesn't automatically get hyperlinked are things that aren't automatically associated to a drawing page number. So say, for example, I'm inside this page, but I want to have access to the roof. So I can add a hyperlink inside of this so that the next time I'm back here, I can simply click on the roof and it will take me to that page. So to do that, I can select the Add Hyperlink. Then I want to highlight what I want to add the hyperlink to. So roof. And then it asks you to select what you want to add it to. So I select my roof plan, say Open. And now I can just click on that, and it gives me a preview, and if I click on it, it takes me to that plan. So I very quickly added in a hyperlink into my project. And it's just that simple. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and come back for some more. Have a good day.